Hi guys, English shorten, general matter, Lok Sabha debate, cryptocurrency topic, 80 words per minute, start. The government does not collect information on cryptocurrency or Bitcoin transactions in the country and has no plans to recognize Bitcoin as a currency, the finance minister told Parliament on Monday, responding to separate queries from Lok Sabha MPs on the booming trade in cryptocurrency in the country and whether the government has legally permitted their exchanges to do business. The ministry said cryptocurrencies are unregulated in India and it does not collect information on their trading. Reserve Bank of India RBI governor said has been raising serious concerns about cryptocurrency in this context of microeconomic and financial stability and has collected for more well informed public discussions to understand the far deeper issues involved. The government has already said it plans to introduce a bill to regulate cryptocurrency. Out of pocket expenditure as a share of total health expenditure and foreign aid for health has both come down as per the findings of the National Health Accounts estimates for India for 2017-18 released on Monday by Health Secretary said as a share of total health expenditure, the OOPE has come down to 48.8% in 2017-18 from 64.2% in 2013-14. Even in the case of per capita OOPE, there has been a decline from 2336 to 2097 between 2013-14 and 2017-18. One of the factors attributing to this decline is the increase in utilization and reduction in cost of services in government health facilities. If we compare NHA 2014-15 and 2017-18, there has been a decline in OOPE for government hospitals in the tune of 50%, said. This is the fifth consecutive NHA report produced by National Health Systems Resources Center designated as National Health Accounts Technical Secretary in 2014 by the Health Ministry. The NHA estimates are prepared by using an accounting framework based on internationally accepted system of health accounts 2017 provided by the World Health Organization. Mr. Speaker said, releasing the report said that the NHA estimates for 2017-18 clearly showed that there had been an increase in the share of government health expenditure in the total GDP of the country. It has increased from 1.15% in 2013-14 to 1.35% in 2017-18. Additionally, the share of government health expenditure, total health expenditure has also increased over time. in 2017-18, the share of government expenditure was 40.8%, which is much higher than 28.6% in 2013-14, he said. The report further indicates that in per capita terms, the government health expenditure has increased from 1042 to 1753 between 2013-14 to 17-18. Also, the share of social security expenditure on health, which includes the social health insurance program government, the schemes and medical reimbursements made to government employees has increased. Stop.